Sorry, I'm going to have a part B to this video. I forgot there's two last problems that I wanted to talk about. So for the first one, we have y equals the square root of 9x plus 18. Notice for this one, it's really not set up in the form that allows us to do the transformations. So we're going to do a step first to get it in that format. So notice a 9 goes into both of those terms. So I'm going to factor out that 9. When I factor that out, I'm going to divide both of these terms by 9, so then I have x plus 2 left over. If I would distribute that 9, I have exactly what I started with. And then from here, now I can take the square root of either one. So the square root of 9 is 3, so I can bring that 3 out. I can't take the square root of x plus 2, so I'm going to leave that underneath. So now it is in the format I can use my transformations. So it is stretched by a factor of 3, and then it is moved to the left 2. Okay, now let's take a look at this one. This one's a cube root, but same idea that it's not set up underneath like are typically how it is that allows us to use our transformations. But I do notice an 8 goes into both of these terms, so I'm going to factor out an 8. And then when I do that, I have x plus 4 left over. Now for here, the cube root of 8 is just 2, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. I have 3 of them, so I can bring out a 2. And then this x plus 4, I can't take the cube root of it, so I leave it. And then the minus 2, I just keep at the end. Now it is in that format, so I can use my transformations. So I have stretched by a factor of 2. It moves to the left 4 and then down 2.